to be teaching you about cryptocurrency mining made easy. And I'm going to tell you about the cryptocurrency we'll be using. But before I do that, I want you to know that we're from Vicsad Academy. And Vicsad Academy will teaches you everything you need to know about computer tips and tricks, coding, graphics, animation, and also talk about some part aspect of money like how to make money online in different ways and so guys, we'll dive into how to create your accounts and lots more. But before I go on, I want you to like Vicsad Academy. I want you to subscribe to Vicsad Academy YouTube channel. You should like this particular video. Just pause your video right now and like the particular video. Come share to friends and family, and also just comment on it now before you go to any other video. Before you move on the YouTube, just like this video, comment on it, and share to friends and family. And also see the subscribe button down this video. Just click on it to subscribe to our YouTube channel so you can get notified when we drop a new inspiring video. So let's go there. So you can create your account maybe with Facebook or with phone number. We're going to be using phone number in this aspect or in this tutorial. So first of all, you choose your country. Now I'm being asked to set up my password. So for me to set up my password, so let me input my password. So now I'm asked to set up my account. And so let me put in my first name. So it's loading, is loading. Yeah, so I just set up my account. I've put in my first name, my last name, and my username. But it said an unexpected error happened, so let me just fix that. Guys, we are asked to put an invitation code. You can see who invited you. An invitation code is required. Find it in your referrals message. So first of all, I want you to know that if you want me to send you a referral message to you, just drop your email, your phone number, and many more ways, or maybe your WhatsApp number, so that we can send you a referral message. And I also want you to know that at the end of this video, we will display the referral code on this end of this video, and also it will be in the description box below. So let me put in my referral code. So I put in my referral code, and I also want you to know that if you don't see the referral code, uh, we are going to leave it in the description section below. And I want you to know that now you are welcome to the PI network, and this is the name of the cryptocurrency you are all wondering about. It is the PI network. The PI network is just a cryptocurrency that allows you to mine the cryptocurrency on your phone. So welcome, and just click on get started. So you click on this thing for, you can see NPI by proving your presence daily. So you are now earning PI rate of 0.2 pi per hour. Come back in 24 hours to keep earning. So for every 24 hours, open this app and click on that, should I call it energy or flash logo, because it looks like a flash logo. So let's just click on start and click next. So this is just about tell you about everything in the app home menu or in the app, should I call it the Windows, the PI network environment. So you just telling about it. So if you have created your own Pi network account, you are going to get more understanding about it because it's going to be explaining everything to you. But all I want you to know that the referral code will be in the description section below. Don't forget to like this video, share it to friends and family, leave a comment about this video in the comment section below, and don't forget to subscribe to Vicsad Academy YouTube channel. So you get me right now. So let's just choose next on few more rules. Is it rules? I don't know. So I've started mining my Bitcoin. Oh, sorry. Started mining my Pi network. I'm getting it confused with Bitcoin. So this Pi network cryptocurrency allows you to mine it on the phone, on its phone, on the phone, on the phone. Yeah. Sorry, on the phone. Yeah. So guys, that's all I have to talk about the PI network. And don't forget to always click on this button which is color green every 24 hours so as to be able to mine the PI network cryptocurrency on this app on your smartphone. Thank you very much. Don't forget to subscribe to Vicsad Academy YouTube channel, like this particular video, share it to friends and family, comment about it in the comment section below, and don't forget that three good links will be in the description section below, in the comment section below, in the description section below, and in the comment section below, and also on this at the end of this video. Those links, you click on it, it allows you to be able to create your own PI network. And don't forget that you will need to download the app on Google Play Store so as to be able to be mine so as to be able to mine PI on your phone. So you need to first download the app and also click on the link in which you will see in the description section below or in the comment section or at the end of this video. And at the end of this video, not only the link will you see, you also see a referral code to your peer network. The referral code means the persons or the peer network who sends a message to you to come and join the peer network. So you will see it at the end of this video in the description section and the comment section. Thank you very much. Bye. Don't forget, we are from Vicsad Academy. Okay, bye.